Hey guys, Shiftery here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today we're going to be going over this brand new Pandabuy Raid and what's going on with it. I decided to make a video. I don't usually make videos about replicas or anything like that, but I found it to be very interesting because people aren't really getting the facts right or have done little to no research, so that's why I'm here. But if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and liking the video. It would be greatly appreciated. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as you guys know, Pandabuy recently had a data breach, and honestly that wasn't good. They kind of handled the situation just like a Chinese company. They tried covering it up. They made sure their affiliates are not going to get paid if they speak out about it, and it was honestly a very sketchy situation. Even NordPass is warning me about this unsolved data breach at the top right. Big shout out to NordPass, really good service, but this isn't about them. Basically, Pandabuy is kind of sketchy, and I'm not an affiliate of them. I'm not here to go ahead and show them in a good light. I just want to show you guys the cold hard facts. So after about a week after this data breach, they did get raided by customs, and it actually has been affecting the rep community all across the board. You can also see that the subreddits are shutting down too. Taking a look at r/fashion reps, you can see that they have over 2 million people, but now their community is private. But this is not just fashion reps. There's so many other Reddits out there that are going private, such as budget rep sneakers. This is another pretty big one that has gone private. You can't really find them anymore. Also, r/designer reps has gone private, and there's so many more out there. But this is not just Reddit exclusive. There's other things going private as well, such as some of your favorite Pandabuy sellers. Again, I do not promote replica products. I'm literally just doing an investigative piece. You can see that the GOAT UPU page is down. There's also other ones such as 8 Billion Club. There's Husky Reps. That one doesn't work anymore, and so on. You guys could check for yourselves. These UPUs are basically gone, no more. So this could be a widespread Chinese investigation where they're looking into the situation even more. So what is going on with your Pandabuy package? I know a lot of people have money in their Pandabuy balances. They also do have items inside of their warehouse, and they're wondering what is going on with these. It could happen one of two ways. The first one is they could pull an exit scam, which I'm not 100% sure if Pandabuy would do this, but we have seen this in the past with other agents such as Transit Buy, UFO Buy, and even YTAL, which actually did pull a crazy exit scam where people lost tens of thousands of dollars in all of their items. So this is definitely a very well possibility because there's not really anything holding them accountable. But honestly, I think Pandabuy wants to stay in business, but only time will tell. Or they can get all of their items cleared, but I honestly don't doubt this since they are counterfeit products. Pandabuy is also going too mainstream anyways. Pandabuy is like really huge. Like, I'm not gonna lie, if you actually are looking for rep products, then you probably have heard of Pandabuy, and they kind of just came out of nowhere, and they do own a lot of the subreddits. A lot of people do not talk about this, but this is more of a shadier side of the rep community, that they own most of the subreddits where they control the discussion of reps, and they're the only agent that will be promoted primarily. It is mainly because they're paying off the moderators of these subreddits. If you don't believe me, this is a true fact, literally a true statement, that these people are getting paid to promote Pandabuy. They have affiliate links and so on. So if you guys ever wonder why is a certain agent being promoted, it's mainly because they paid their way to the top. This is kind of the sketchy antics that go on behind the scenes. Again, not affiliated with any agent. I think all of their affiliate programs are pretty trash, and they don't pay creators what they're worth. But that's just another story for another day. If you guys didn't know, especially in China, Consumers' Rights Day is to combat all counterfeit products, and it's the most riskiest day to sell counterfeits. And I think this could also be a contributing fact inside of the situation, that although it's been a while, almost a full month since this day has happened, I think it may have taken some time for the feds to really crack down on Pandabuy, and this is why they're finally moving in. Another thing that you will notice is Pandabuy has been restricted on TikTok. So if you do search up Pandabuy, you are going to run in with this message that it may be linked to some illegal activity. Even if you type in panda space buy, it still shows up with this message. But if you enter any other agent's name, such as Hagglebuy or Sugar Goo, you don't run into this issue. And this is actually very recent. This is only on mobile. I haven't seen this on PC, but this is another sign that Pandabuy is under a lot of fire. Also, it's getting pretty hectic on Discord. As you can see, there's a ton of messages going in. Everybody is just absolutely out of control. You got this volunteer basically proclaiming his love for Pandabuy and why he loves shipping out his hauls and why it's so convenient. I don't know why this guy's doing that. You got scammers inside of here basically asking you to contact them. Actually, I already contacted one. I want to see what they have to say about this situation and what they're going to try to scam me with. But just so many messages that are going on. The whole Discord server is out of control. There's not really any moderators on right now, and this is definitely a PR nightmare for Pandabuy, so keep that in mind. But just absolute spam. It's just going on and on and on, and this is just a really bad look for Pandabuy. So basically, my final opinions on this Pandabuy raid, it's not looking too good for them. With all the information I have showed you with the Discord, they also have a ton of issues on the subreddit, sellers shutting down. It's just a whole dilemma that they're going to have to work through, and there's no guarantee that these items may still be in that warehouse when they actually reopen, if they reopen. So this is just a big issue. We have seen exit scams in the past with replica companies just like this. UFO Buy, you had Transit Buy, and just all these small agents that are owned by subsidiaries of these bigger companies where they test out things. There's a whole sketchy underground. I'm not going to go into detail in this video. I would be here all day about how sketchy this community is, but there's definitely a lot of things that are going on. You have people on TikTok reselling items as real. There's like a whole course that you can buy just to resell items, and it's kind of crazy. So you have this content creator named Shifty, not Shifty, Shifty. He actually does have a reseller course where you can pass these fake items off as real and you can become super rich, and there's like these children that believe him, and it's just kind of crazy to me. But that's one of the Pandabuy scams I'm going to go over in my next few videos. So if Pandabuy does pull an exit scam, they may actually rebrand themselves to save their image. Maybe instead of Pandabuy, it's like Koala Buy or something like that. I mean, I have no clue, but overall, this is definitely the implications that you do get when shopping with a risky company. I'm not saying that Pandabuy is sketchy, even though their actions have kind of leaned toward that recently. You do want to go ahead and look at the facts and see what's really going on. But overall, Pandabuy, it's not looking too good. You may or may not get your items. We only have to wait and see what's going to go on. And I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Shift3 Reviews. Bye.